Hi, this video is about how to stop sabotaging yourself. 4 ways to success, and this is episode 5 of Business Healthcare 101. Welcome. Are you unconsciously sabotaging yourself? In this video there is going to be some steps, and I'm going to talk to you in terms of 4 ways that you can get unstuck and to unsabotage yourself. So this video will be teaching you different steps of success, but also I'll be covering the ways that people are sabotaging themselves. Please like and subscribe, share this video to anyone that you feel that would benefit from watching this video. So let's go. For you to create a 6-7 figure business, you've got to create space in your mind for your vision. Building the right foundations, creating a step-by-step system of how you're going to achieve your goals will get you into the right vision, the right path for creating a successful 6-7 healthcare business. Self-doubt. That is another way of us sabotaging ourselves, where we don't feel that we're good enough and that can't possibly be me. I can't be a successful business owner. This is also down to a feeling that you could fail, that you are not good enough, and that can't possibly be you to be that successful 6-7 business owner. This is something which is stopping people from moving forward into building that dream, that legacy that they've always wanted and dreamed of for many years. So just think about this. All those successful businesses, where did they start? They started from zero. They started from nothing, and they built up by following a step-by-step plan has enabled them to be successful right now. And this is what you're seeing. You're seeing your future of what you can actually achieve. Try starting something in terms of a healthcare recruitment business, which is quickest and easiest way to get your business up and running to 6-7 figures, rather than trying to look at the complicated CQC process whereby you're looking to register as a home care agency, providing services in the community into individuals' own homes. You will then need to provide the registration to say that you are able to provide the service of the regulated activity personal care, for example. Now, running a home care agency is more complex than running a recruitment care agency. You don't need to be registered with the Care Quality Commission. You will learn how to run a recruitment healthcare business, and once you've mastered that and you run in with that, you will then be able to look at registering with the Care Quality Commission and then meet the inspectors and be inspected and be able to prove that you're able to manage a service or be the registered provider, for example, of that service. So look at something which you can do, which is the easiest and quickest way, rather than looking into getting a care home or supported living or home care, for example, where it's more regulated, and you would need to look at what is the best way for you to be able to achieve those goals. By not setting a time frame with action plans to achieve those goals, this also holds you back as well. It's okay for you to say, yeah, I want to have a care agency, but what actions, what steps are you taking towards that goal? You wouldn't get in your car and just drive, would you? You would know what steps you're taking, or you're following a map that's going to take you to your destination. Well, you need to do the same in terms of your healthcare business, getting that dream and following those steps and taking action and completing those tasks. That will enable you to get to your destination a lot faster than just planning things from 6 months to 1 year and then starting up again. Oh, let me try and do this again. you need to follow an action plan with time frames, with dates, to enable you to get to that dream of running your own healthcare business a lot sooner. So one way of doing that is by creating your action plan, creating a calendar with dates and things that you need to do for you to be able to set up your healthcare company. So 4 ways for you to succeed in your healthcare business. Number 1, think about this very carefully. Number 1, you need to set a time frame. You need to have an action plan with goals for setting your healthcare business. So learn to walk before you can run. I see too often that people want a large contract. They're like, yeah, I want a large NHS contract, for example, but yet they haven't got the fundamental and they haven't got the proven track record that they have managed a service, and that they have ran a successful recruitment care agency with having smaller contracts that they're able to manage. And then you can look at applying for the bigger contracts for your organization because you would have had a proven track record. Number 2, create a service for who you will be serving. What age group? What level of service will you be providing? Who are they? What location will you be in for your business? Number 3, what organizations will you be approaching? Will it be the clinical commissioning teams, known as CCGs? Will it be social services, for example? Will it be care homes, residential care homes? Will it be NHS hospitals? Will it be in the community? What organizations can you look at approaching to get working for your agency, for example? Number 4, where will you do your office from? You can do this from home without paying for a rent office on a high street location. You just need to create the space within your home to be able to work from there and have that as your office. I've created a quick workbook for you to download. It's just a short workbook for you to start creating a list of actions that you need to do in order to get your healthcare business up and running as quickly as possible. I hope that you've enjoyed this. Please do like and subscribe, share to others that you feel that will benefit, and do look out for more training. I hope you've enjoyed our episode 5 of the Healthcare Business 101. Like I said, hit like, subscribe, and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you. Bye.
I'm living the life. I woke up this morning and I thank God for the day. I know things ain't what they could be, but I got a smile on my face. No more tears, no more fears. They won't get the best of me no more. I can stand still or I can move on.